What's up guys, it's Jeff here and I want to tell you about the big walk in 2019. So this year it's the second edition of the big walk. Last year, of course, myself and Jazz went about the big walk with the help of our sponsors and partners on the island. Over the course of 6 days, we'll be crossing the island from east to west, hit the road style. From the peninsula of Ponte de São Lourenço all the way to the volcanic rock pools at Porto Moniz. We'll be hiking through old ridge paths, levada paths, forests, mountains and beautiful coastlines. We'll see sunsets, sunrises and even the most stunning of stargazing up in Paul de Serra on the west side. We'll be stopping by at the highest peaks. We'll see the best waterfalls, the most spectacular viewpoints and even cross a 45-minute hand-dug tunnel through the highest peak of the island. We'll also be camping, providing campsite breakfasts and barbecues as well as fresh made poncha. But that's not it, there's also loads of extra little surprises and activities such as surfing, shark diving, spas and much more. Contact us right now for all the booking details and I look forward to seeing you at the big walk in 2019.